We've all asked ourselves this: how do I get my money to work for me? It's a big deal, right? And what if I told you there was an app that could help you do just that? What if I also told you that this app might be able to help you earn 5% or more on your cash? Sounds too good to be true. Well, let's dive in. As financial experts, we know that having your money in a checking account with a big bank isn't usually the best idea. Banks typically offer very low interest rates on checking accounts, meaning your money isn't really growing for you. It's just sitting there. So many people are turning to fintech apps as an alternative. These apps often offer higher interest rates than traditional banks, meaning you can earn more on your deposits. But how much more? Well, that's where things get interesting. Some fintech apps are now offering interest rates of 5% or more on certain types of accounts. For example, one app currently offers 5% interest on balances up to $1 million across all 50 states. Another offers 5% interest on balances up to $6 million when you keep at least $10,000 in the account, and another 2% interest on balances above that. That means you can earn up to 5% interest on your entire balance if you keep enough money in the account, and another offers 5% interest on balances up to $100,000 for select customers. And these are just a few examples. There are other fintech apps out there offering similar rates. So what's the catch? Well, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, the rates offered by these fintech apps can change at any time, so it's important to compare rates from different apps before making a decision. Second, some apps may require you to have a certain amount of money in order to earn the highest interest rate. For example, some may require you to have $10,000 or more in the account, while others may not. Be sure to read the fine print so you know what's required to earn the rate that you want. Third, some apps may also have minimum deposit requirements, so be sure to factor that in when you're deciding whether or not to open an account. Finally, it's important to note that not all fintech apps are FDIC insured, so be sure to check before you open an account. You can typically find this information on the app's website. Now that we've covered the basics, let us take a closer look at some of the apps that are currently offering 5% interest rates. One is a full-service digital bank that offers 5% interest on balances up to $1 million. The bank is FDIC insured, and there are no monthly fees or minimum deposit requirements. Another offers 5% interest on balances up to $100,000 for select customers. This online bank is also FDIC insured, and there are no monthly fees or minimum deposit requirements. To qualify for the 5% interest rate, you'll need to have at least $10,000 in the account and set up direct deposit. The third offers 5% interest on balances up to $6 million when you keep at least $10,000 in the account. For balances above that, the interest rate drops to 2%. The bank is FDIC insured, and there are no monthly fees or minimum deposit requirements. As you can see, there are a number of different apps that offer competitive interest rates. It's important to do your research and compare rates from different apps before making a decision. Don't just jump at the first offer you see. Take your time, do your research, and choose the app that best meets your needs. You might be wondering why these fintech apps are able to offer such high interest rates when traditional banks can't. It has to do with the way these apps operate. They're able to pass on the savings they earn by not having physical branches or the overhead that comes with them. Instead, they use technology to provide a more convenient and cost-effective way to bank. If you're looking to make the most of your money, then it might be worth considering a fintech app. With many of these apps, you'll be able to earn 5% or more on your cash, which is a great return. Just be sure to compare rates from different apps before opening an account. And remember that rates can change at any time. By doing your research and comparing rates, you can find the best way to earn on your cash. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you're looking for more ways to make the most of your money, subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. We wish you all the best in your financial journey.